Hi, I'm Kara from Number One Institute. Today I'm going to tell you how to write an argument essay. An argument essay is also called a persuasive or opinion essay. Now firstly, there is more than one way to write an argument essay. This is just one good way. Now, have you ever had an argument? Writing an argument essay is the same as having an argument, but you don't need to listen to the other side. Step 1. Brainstorm your essay. Before deciding on your final position, brainstorm both sides of the argument, for and against. Try to get at least 6 or 7 points on both sides. Then choose the 3 best points for each. Why? Sometimes your best ideas are not your first. Force yourself to get 6 or 7 arguments and you may be surprised by what you find. Step 2. Choose your position. Look at the list of arguments you wrote for each side in your brainstorm. Which side has the strongest argument? Which do you think you can support best with examples and evidence? Which is the most interesting? Remember, your teacher is assessing your writing, not your opinion. Step 3. Plan your essay. This is the most important step, yet so many students skip it. If you put in the effort at this stage, the writing will be much easier. Plan a good introduction. If you start the essay well, the rest will follow. Let's look at a plan of an essay. The topic is online learning can replace face-to-face learning. What do you think? Let's start with the introduction. An introduction includes an attention grabber. This is something to grab the reader's attention, to make them want to continue reading. It also has a thesis statement and 3 key arguments. For this essay, I've written, "Can you imagine a world without schools and classrooms?" So this is my attention grabber. It doesn't give my point of view. It just gets the reader interested. The thesis statement. This is my opinion. Online learning can enhance but not replace face-to-face learning. Now my 3 key arguments are: number 1, communication and human interaction. Number 2, social enjoyment and engagement. And number 3, building a relationship between teachers and students. Now we have only planned the introduction, but actually we've planned most of the essay. Watch. Let's move to the body. The body for this essay includes 3 paragraphs: body 1, body 2, and body 3. And all I do is move my 3 key arguments to each of the body paragraphs. Now I just add evidence and examples. So, for body 1, communication and human interaction, we learn through interacting. For example, history. Through real discussion with classmates makes the topics come to life. And learning is a 2-way process. Body 2, social enjoyment and engagement. My evidence and examples are: school is not just for gaining knowledge. It also develops social skills and builds networks. So for my final key argument, building a relationship between teachers and students can't be achieved to the same level over a computer. Good teachers can notice subtle changes in students which can indicate an issue, and learning happens when there is trust and a connection. So I don't plan the conclusion because actually it's very similar to the introduction. All I need to do is remember to paraphrase. Okay, step 4, write the essay. Follow your plan from step 3 and start writing. Complete it as quickly as you can. Don't rest until you have finished. Don't worry about using the best vocabulary or writing it perfectly. Just get it on the page. If you have done any reading or research, be careful of plagiarizing. Step 5. Edit your writing. Read your essay from the start. Change it to make it sound better and more professional. So first, add linking words, however, moreover, although, despite, etc. 2. Look for better vocabulary. Use more specific words where possible. For example, good can mean lots of things. It could mean accurate, and it could mean caring. So choose the best word. 3. Check you have both long and short sentences. 4. Do you repeat yourself? 5. Is your argument clear? Step 6 and final step, polish your writing. This is your final edit, so focus on the details. Read it once for punctuation, once for spelling, and then once finally for clarity, because clarity is the most important. If you would like a free copy of the essay planning worksheet, please go to number1institute.com and you'll find it there. Thanks for watching.